What's up, Rock Nation? This is Buck Premo with your ROQ US tech team. Today's tech tip of the week is resetting your maintenance warning on your ROQ Next or Eco with the new display. So I'm going to go over that real quick. It's very easy. If you guys end up having questions, please reach out to the ROQ US tech team. So to reset your maintenance, you're going to go to Information. Here you will see Service, and right down there you'll see the check mark for Executed. So you've got your warning, date, hour, and cycle. This is when the first warning comes up, and then when you executed it, you'll just hit that check mark, and that should give you the date, hour, and cycle for execution. All right, so that was your tech tip of the week. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to our fabulous ROQ US tech team. Until then, keep on a-rockin'.